Hello everyone. This is Team EDM from Acharya Institute of Technology. Today, we are here with a project, Small Scale Wire EDM. Wire EDM is a manufacturing process that uses a thin electrically charged wire to cut and shape materials with extreme precision. It is specially used for machining hard metals and creating intricate parts that traditional machining methods struggle to produce. Traditional wire EDM machines present several challenges that make them impractical for small scale industrial users. These machines are often large, expensive, and consume substantial amounts of power, leading to high operational costs. Additionally, their size and complexity require significant space and maintenance, which small scale industries and educational institutes may not be able to afford or manage effectively. As a result, these smaller entities are unable to benefit from the precision and efficiency of wire EDM technology, limiting the ability to produce high quality intricate parts.
This is a small scale wire EDM. This is the top axis, this is the bottom axis. This is the mounting vise where the material will be placed. This is the axis movement carried by two gantries, which have two axes, XY and UV, which enables the machine to cut angular parts. The machine is designed to cut A4 size material, that is 210 mm by 297 mm by 50 mm maximum. The footprint of the machine is 725 mm by 670 mm by 450 mm. The electronic components and control system is placed at the back side of the machine, which is away from the dielectric fluid. The motors are placed at the left side of the machine, above the dielectric fluid, because the waterproof motors are expensive and hard to find. The linear rails are used for the axis movement, which is made of 304 stainless steel because it has excellent corrosion resistance. The cutting part of machine is placed in an aquarium and filled with dielectric fluid. Since traditional machines tend to waste gallons of water, our EDM is based on sustainable platform and use filters to filter out water in system and can reutilize the water multiple times and in a small footprint. This is our solution.